Imagine you have a rental property 500 miles away from where you live, and you've just gotten a call saying the house is totally trashed. That is the exact situation that one of my clients is in right now. When he originally called me, he just wanted me to put it on the market and sell it for whatever I could get in its current condition. But I suggested a different route. I'm like, listen, you do know that I'm not just a real estate agent, right? I flip houses too. I can absolutely manage a smart, efficient renovation for you, be your boots on the ground, and you can stay right there in Florida, comfortable in your pajamas and your flip-flops. I got this. Let me show you exactly what we did. This is a typical 3-bedroom, 2-bath, split-level home in Metro Atlanta. When we took on this project, we had to deal with broken windows, rotting wood, and all of the interior wear and tear of years of tenants. When I took the keys to this house, it was an absolutely trashed rental. So first things first, we fixed every single structural and mechanical item on the inspection report. And typically, when you've got a trashed rental like that, the biggest hurdle is the flooring, and this house was no exception. We went with durable LVP throughout the common areas and fresh carpet in the bedrooms. High impact, reasonable cost. The kitchen is the place where most people blow their entire budget. I really needed to convince the owner here to stay disciplined. We saved a bunch of money by not replacing the perfectly good cabinets and not installing granite. We went with fresh paint and high pressure laminate instead. We used the same strategy for the guest bath and the primary bath. And finally, you gotta figure out where to stop. You can't fix everything. If you do, you're gonna run out of equity. For instance, we skipped finishing the basement entirely. We used the budget where it matters the most. On a project like this one, where I've got a very small budget that I've gotta maximize, I've gotta be laser focused on clean, safe, and habitable. I've gotta skip all of those trends that I love, skip the Pinterest pops, and just deliver a solid product that a family can move into and live. This is how you exit a rental property. You don't need to be a contractor, and you don't need to get on an airplane. You just need the right strategy. If you have a property right here in Metro Atlanta and you need some extra help figuring out what your exit strategy should be, reach out to me. Click the Work With Me link in the description below. Or if you just have a question, click the Ask Me Anything link. I read and answer each and every one of those questions. All right, I'm done, and I will see you in the next video.